In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to this trade button top right when you are on your chart, and then from here you want to select the broker you want to trade with. So of course you can select any of the brokers over here, click on them, and then connect it. If you want to know how to connect a broker, I do have a separate video. It's super simple. You basically just click on this connect button and you're good to go. Or you could also use this paper trading over here, which I'm going to use right now, and this is just like some demo paper money. Now, whenever you do that, whenever you connect your broker, or of course TradingView paper trading, you want to go ahead and click one of the following things. You could go and click on buy or sell over here on the right or left side of your screen, and then it's going to open this side panel. You could go and click on trade at the top right, which is going to open the same thing, or you could go and right click anywhere in the chart and click on buy or sell over here, and that's going to do the same thing. Okay, of course it's going to open this thing here where you can then sell or buy just like that very quickly and easily. Now here I'm gonna go to the trade button, and in here you can buy and sell. So you can select if you want to sell or buy, and of course the same thing is gonna happen. You just will see, of course, the button is gonna change at the bottom, and you are either buying or selling. And then here you have the option to select your order type, either market, limit, or stop. So market will buy at the current price, and then limit will buy at the price you can specify over here, and the stop basically is a stop order. Okay. Now over here, I'm going to go with a market. So I'm just going to select shares over here, and then I'm going to select one share, and you can select your take profit or stop loss over here and place it if you want to. And then down here, you have some extra settings as well. And then like this, you can just click on the buy button or of course on the sell button in case you are selling. And that's all you have to do to buy and sell on TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.